And I am live. Good morning everybody. Magandang umaga sa iyo. May katanungan po tayo. What does it mean that this business is for all ages and for all walks of life? Napakagandang katanungan para sa mga taong gustong sumali ng business na ito. At magkaroon ng pagbabago ang buhay nila, magkaroon ng time freedom and flexibility, magkaroon ng financial freedom, at magkaroon ng time sa pamilya nila. Good morning po, si Maria Santos from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, originally from Bicol, Philippines. Yes po, what does it mean that this business is for all ages and for all walks of life? Ang business po nito ay nag-i-start sa age 18 years old. Legal age is 18 years old and above. Unlimited po ang age as long as you can do it. As long as you can do it, you are willing to learn and you can learn and you are coachable at may why kayo. This business is for you. Iyon po ang sinasabing all ages, 18 po and above. Na I am retired po ako and I'm doing this business. Wala pong limitation sa age. Basta sabi ko na nga, you are willing to learn and you want to do it and you are coachable at may why kayo. And then for all walks of life, ang ibig pong sabihin noon kahit anong profession ka. Kahit anong profession ka dahil po ang business na ito pala ay global, legit global with 300,000 members globally. Yeah, all walks of life. Kung ano man ang trabaho mo, ano man saan ka nakabase, o ano ang ginagawa mo para kumita ng pera sa traditional job, but you want to try this business, well, ang business pong ito ay para sa iyo. Hindi po namimili ang business na ito. At wala pong wala pong limit, wala pong limitation po sa mga taong kahit nasaan ka nagtatrabaho at hindi po kailangan dito ang mataas na pinag-aralan o ang diploma o ang maging degree holder ka to be in this business. Iyan po ang for all walks of life. Kaya kung ikaw ay halimbawa ikaw ay nagtatrabaho ngayon, trabaho, isa, dalawa, tatlong trabaho, at you feel na it's about time to look for a part-time job or build an online business on the side while you are working, ito po ay para sa iyo. Na may why ka, willing to learn ka at ikaw ay coachable. Ang business pong ito, the first thing that you have to do is watch the webinar. Mayroon pong live every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Mayroon din pong replay. I know that everybody is busy, so replay is available. So wala kayong mamimiss dahil po libre po ang webinar. Wherein in that webinar, they'll tell you of what this business is all about. Makikita niyo rin po, maririnig ang mga testimony ng mga nauna sa business na ito, na magte-testify sila what this business done to their lives. Napakaganda po ng business na ito. Una sa sinasabi ko na kinatatakutan ng lahat na scam. No, we are not. I am not a scammer. I am a real person doing the real business, getting a real result. But, you know what? This is not, you will not get an overnight result po dito. Hindi po ganon. You have to learn the business and you have to take action. Whatever you learn, I put it into action. I-apply nyo po. Madali lang po. Basta po kayo may why. Why? Bakit mo gustong sumali sa business na ito? Napapagod ka na magtrabaho ba? O gusto mo ng freedom? Time freedom, financial freedom, spend time with your children and watch them grow? At gusto mo ba mag-retire na ng trabaho mo? Marami pong mas bata dito na nag-join ng business nakapag-retire dahil po trinabaho at inaral nila ang business. Hindi po mahirap ang business na ito dahil po ang business na ito po ay may proven system. Proven system po talaga. Mag-plug in lang kayo doon sa system at mayroon automation, step-by-step, video-based training. Meaning, if hindi nyo natapos ang isang kabanata ng training, you can come back to where you stop. Ganyan po kaganda ang business na ito. Ang kailangan nyo lang po ay mag-try. I know na maraming natatakot. I know na maraming skeptical. I know na na-scam na kayo. But you know what? If you don't try, you will never know na ikaw ang susunod na successful business owner. So, all you have to do is watch the webinar. First step, free. Register with your name and email sa www.mariasantoslive.com and you will have access to the live and replay webinar. Nagaganon po ako kasi po malamok dito. Nandito po ako sa park. Ayan. Ayan. Nandito po ako sa park. Yan ang kagandahan ng business na ito na you can work. Ito ang sinasabing, you can work anywhere, anytime you want. Ayan, nag-work po ako. Na nag-reach out ako sa inyo, I'm working sa business ko. Okay po, kung may katanungan kayo, now, register po kayo sa aking website at let me help and guide you. I can answer your question or we can talk and marami pong dapat malaman sa business na yun. But the first step is watch the webinar. And then, if you want more information regarding the business, you have to pay the one-time registration pay with that is 149, which is refundable within 90 days. Hindi po namin kukunin ang pera nyo. Refundable po iyon. No question asked. Wala kami itatanong sa iyo. Basta lang gusto nyo mag-refund, then we will refund your money. Anong mangyayari sa 149? You will have the blueprint of the business. Malalaman nyo how, what, and ang blueprint kung paano kumita sa business na ito. Compensation plan, which is very good. If I'm you, I will not miss this chance. Refundable, free ang webinar, refundable ang 149. You got nothing to lose. Right? Ang malulus nyo lang po ay if you don't try it. If you don't try it, then you will say to yourself after 1 year to 2 years, sana sinubukan ko ang business na ito. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. At see you in the inside. Bye for now.